Iran's armed forces unveiled an innovative X-wing loitering munition, capable of underwater launch, a groundbreaking feature designed for deployment from submarines or unmanned underwater vehicles, UUVs. This subsurface launch capability provides a significant tactical edge over traditional surface-launched drones, which expose vessels to enemy reconnaissance and potential attack. By launching from beneath the waves, submarines can maintain stealth while extending their offensive reach. The concept of submarine-launched missiles is not new. SLBMs, submarine-launched ballistic missiles, and SLCMs, submarine-launched cruise missiles, have existed for decades. Some nations have even experimented with submerged anti-aircraft and anti-ship missile launches. However, this marks the first known case of a submarine launching a loitering munition, granting Iran a unique capability in modern warfare. The system operates using a torpedo tube-launched capsule. Once the capsule surfaces, its nose cover ejects to the side, revealing a launch tube for the loitering munition. This newly developed X-wing loitering munition, which remains unnamed, bears a striking resemblance to the Russian loitering munition, introduced in mid-January. The concept of submarine-launched weapons is far from new. Submarine-launched ballistic missiles, SLBMs, and submarine-launched cruise missiles, SLCMs, have been in use for decades, with various countries also experimenting with launching anti-aircraft and anti-ship missiles from underwater platforms. However, Iran's latest innovation takes this concept a step further. For the first time, the submerged launch of a loitering munition has been demonstrated, giving Iran a unique and groundbreaking capability on the global stage. The system functions with a tubular capsule housing the munition, launched from a horizontal torpedo tube. Upon surfacing, the nose cover of the capsule is ejected, and the tube transforms into the launch platform for the loitering munition. The X-wing loitering munition, though its name remains undisclosed, bears striking similarities to the Russian loitering munition, which was revealed in mid-January. Yet, the distinct shape of its wings confirms that this is not a direct replica. Both loitering munitions feature four-folded lifting wings and four-folded tail fins, which unfold upon launch, transitioning the munition into flight mode. A solid fuel booster propels the munition initially, ensuring a swift launch from beneath the water's surface. Details about this new loitering munition remain tightly guarded, with its guidance system still unknown to the public. However, based on the technological sophistication of Iran's recent developments, it is highly likely that the munition incorporates artificial intelligence, AI, allowing it to navigate complex targets with precision. This submerged launch capability represents a quantum leap in both naval warfare and drone technology, as Iran continues to expand its technological and strategic horizons.